Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss these three topics in same chapter. The story of village Palampur. Land is fixed first. Second, is there a way one can grow more from the same land? And third is, will the land sustain? Now one by one we will discuss these all the topics. Number one is land is fixed. So we are talking about Palampur. So first we will talk about Palampur only. Is land is fixed in Palampur? Yes, everywhere land is fixed. We cannot multiply the land. So yes, it is fixed. Land is limited resource. It is a fixed resource because we cannot multiply it. So farming is the main activity in Palampur. 75% of working people depend on farming. It is a one of the drawback. Now why it is a drawback? Because land area under cultivation is practically fixed. All the land is cultivated by the farmers. Nothing is left unused. All the waste land was already used by them for cultivation. Now we will discuss next topic. Is there a way one can grow more from the same land? If already they are using the wasteland for cultivation, is there a other way to grow more from the same land? So what techniques are used by the farmer, that we will discuss. Yes, there are many ways one can grow more from the same land. Before this, first we will discuss what the Palampur farmers they are adopting the methods. So first, during the rainy season, kharif crop they grow. Okay, rainy season, the crops which are grown in rainy season, that are called kharif crop also. So farmer grow jowar and bajra. These plants are used as cattle feed. In the month of October to December, means between October to December, they grow potato and wheat during winter season. Okay, they sow wheat on their land after December in winter. Apart from this, they grow sugarcane also on one part of their land and sell jaggery. Jaggery means good to traders of Shahpur. Shahpur is a district. And what is the nearest village of Palampur? That you have to write answer just immediately after this lecture. Okay, when the lecture will over, you have to write answer immediately. So yes, they are adopting many method for increasing production, we can say this. Now there are other method for increasing productions are multiple farming. So that we will discuss. The villagers of Palampur, farmers of Palampur, they were also adopting this method. So what is multiple cropping, that we will discuss. So to grow more than one crop in a year, this is called multiple cropping. You can see in this picture there is A, B, C is mentioned. So different season, this A, B, C is mentioning the different season, means in a year in a different season, different crops when the grown by farmer, this is called multiple cropping. And next method is mixed cropping. I will show this picture also. The mixed cropping picture is here. So when the farmer grow two or more than two crops, okay, in a same season on the land, so this is called mixed cropping. Clear? Now multiple cropping and mixed cropping we discussed. Now third type of way to increase the production on farms is irrigation and electricity facility. If farmer having good facility of electricity, okay, so he can irrigate their land easily, because there is no need to depend for him on monsoon, because mostly our farmers they depend on monsoon. That's why they wait for arrival of monsoon and they unable to grow crop on their land on time. So third is good facility of irrigation and electricity. Fourth, we can write modern farming method. In modern farming method, nowadays most of the farmers they are adopting, those who are rich, modern farming method. They are using HYV seeds, modern equipment like threshers, tractors on their land. So this was used first by the 3 states, okay, and because of that only the green revolution came in late 1960, and then other states also followed them. So these states are Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh. Now because of this modern method technology, will land sustain, that we will discuss. Will the land sustain? So first, before discussing this, first I would like to tell you this, what is the scientific report for this. Scientific report we will discuss. Scientific reports indicate that the modern farming method have overused the natural resources. So that negative impact of green revolution we can see. Now what type of negative impact we are seeing because of green revolution or modern technique? Number one, green revolution is associated with the loss of soil fertility due to increased use of chemical fertilizers. Second point, groundwater is led to depletion of water level table, okay, yeah, level, and because of this groundwater are built. And another reason for this you can write here why the water is depletion, because reason it take lot of time, because groundwater are built up over a year. This is the reason it is depleting and we are suffering, okay. And in 2025 the scientific report is we can face lot of problem related water if we continuously waste the water. So these are the negative impact of green revolution we discussed just now. So after that writing assignments, assignment question also I am giving you, writing it, learn it properly, okay. Thank you.